Jai Hind student. Today we are going to start Political Science second chapter Federalism. Before the last chapter, we already discussed about four different types of power sharing. The first one was the horizontal distribution of power. The second was the idea of federal structure of the government. The third was the community government, and the fourth was the coalition government. Now we are focusing on federalism. In this class, federalism talks about the vision of power between central and the state. We have numerous issues that needed to discuss about. It can be defense, it can be agriculture, it can be education, etc. So, what we do, the defense would be controlled by the central government and agriculture would be controlled by the state government and so on. So, what happens is the ruling became much more easy, the execution process became much more efficient. This is the sole idea under the structure of federalism. We saw in Belgium how the unitary form of government slowly and gradually after amendment between 1970 to 1993 shifted to the federal system. First, we are going to see about what is federalism. The word federalism is derived from the Latin word fodus, which means a pact or an agreement or a treaty. So, federalism is an agreement between central government as well as the state government, or federalism is a system of government in which the power is divided between central, state, and local self-government. Next one is federalism has two levels of government. The first one is unitary government. The second one is federal government. Here, the unitary system given the power to the central government. The central government create the state, regional and provincial government, and they are subordinate to the central government. Here the federal system shares powers among the central government and various state government of a country. Both the levels of government are answerable to the government separately through the legislature. It is mentioned in the video. Next one is what are the key features of federalism. The first one is two or more levels of government, that is central, state and local self-government. Second one is each level has its own power or jurisdiction. It is already specified in the constitution and we already know about what is jurisdiction. That is the area over which someone has legal authority. The third one is constitutional provision can be changed only with the consent of both levels of government, that is central, state or local government. The fourth one is court interpret the constitution and powers of different levels of government, and the Supreme Court is the highest official to settle the dispute arise with different levels of government. And the last one is sources of revenue are clearly specified, that is to ensure financial autonomy. The sources of revenue for both the central government and state government are clearly specified in the constitution, which implies their main source of income. The next one is what is coming together federation and holding together federation. Coming together federation is nothing but independent state coming together to their own to form a bigger state or a country. Example, USA, Australia and Switzerland. Holding together federation is nothing but the division of powers between the state of a country and central government of that country. Example, Belgium, India and Spain.